Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to read a very special and funny story. It is a diary about cooking. The title is A Failed Recipe, but a Good Night. Sometimes we make mistakes, but that is okay. We can still have a good time. In this video, we will learn 10 useful words for daily life. Now, grab a snack, relax, and let's read the diary together. Friday, 5 p.m. A great idea. Dear Diary, today is Friday. I am very happy. I have no work tomorrow. I want to have a special dinner tonight. I do not want to go to a restaurant. I want to cook at home. I look at a book. I find a new recipe. It is a recipe for a big chocolate cake and hot soup. I think it is easy. I want to try it. I go to the supermarket and buy eggs, flour, chocolate, and vegetables. I am ready. Friday, 6:30 p.m. Time to cook. Dear Diary, I am in the kitchen now. I put all the food on the table. The kitchen looks very nice. I put on my apron. I play some soft music. First, I make the soup. I cut the vegetables. Then, I start to make the chocolate cake. I mix the eggs and the flour. I look at the recipe again and again. I feel like a great chef. My dog Max sits on the floor. He watches me. Friday, 7:15 p.m. Oh no. Dear Diary, something is wrong. Very wrong. I made a big mistake. I put salt in the cake, not sugar. I also forgot the soup on the stove. I smell something bad. I run to the stove. The soup is black. The pot is very hot. Smoke is everywhere. I open the window quickly. The cake in the oven looks flat and hard. I taste a small piece. It is terrible. I feel very sad. My special dinner is ruined. Friday, 7:45 p.m. A change of plan. Dear Diary, I sit on a chair and look at the black soup and the salty cake. Max comes to me. He puts his head on my leg. He looks funny. Suddenly, I do not feel sad. I start to laugh. It's a very silly mistake. I laugh out loud. Max wags his tail. Okay, I cannot eat this food, but I can fix the problem. First, I wash the pots. I clean the table. I clean the floor. Now the kitchen is nice again. Friday, 8:30 p.m. A good night. Dear Diary, I'm hungry, so I pick up my phone. I order a big pizza. I order extra cheese. 30 minutes later, the pizza arrives. It is hot and smells great. I sit on the sofa with Max. I eat the pizza. I give Max a small piece of meat. We share the food. We watch a funny movie together. The dinner is not perfect. I did not cook a great meal. But it is a very warm and happy night. I think this is a very good memory. Good night, Diary. Welcome back. What a funny story, right? Her dinner was not perfect, but she still had a great time. Now, let's review the 10 core words from the diary. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Number 1, recipe. Number 2, kitchen. Number 3, try. Number 4, mistake. Number 5, laugh. Number 6, and clean. Number 7, order. Number 8, share. Number 9, perfect. Number 10, memory. Excellent. You're doing great. Before you go, let's do a quick quiz to test your memory. I will show you 3 simple questions on the screen. You can pause the video to find the answer. Question 1. What big mistake did she make with the cake? Question 2. What did she do after she looked at the bad food? Question 3. What food did she order at the end? How did you do? Please write your answers or your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Good night.